This is the Seebrez 24 by 12 by 6 fully automated video measuring machine. There's the part on the stage itself right there. I'm going to go ahead and begin the program by coming over here to the monitor and clicking on the start button, which is located right there. Click on start and it goes to the first location, and we'll go ahead and click enter. It's going to go down and move the part down to the second location. We'll do a small adjustment on location. Go ahead and press enter. And now what the machine will do is it'll go around and it'll electronically edge detect the edge of the part, edge detecting from the blue line to the white line or from dark to light. It's going to pick up the inner diameter. It's going to choose 18 points and form a best fit circle. That will establish our part 0. Once we are done with that, we will go up to the top of the part and measure the small notch or radius up there. That's what we're doing right now. This tool will fire 100 points. It does an alignment off the center of the ID relative to that notch, and then it offsets it 5 degrees according to the blueprint alignment. Now we're going and we're measuring all of the dimensions, the distance between that, the distance across there, the radius there, the radius there. We zoom up, and then we finally measure the last piece of data. The program is over. Click OK. We will come down to here, over to the data portion of it, and there's our data right there. It drops directly into Excel, and I think you can see that the repeatability is within about 1/10 of an inch, and this program is written at low mag. It's written at 2x. We can go all the way up to about 5 times that magnification, so we should be well within 1/10 of an inch as far as repeatability. All we need to do to go ahead and run the second part, we need to step over to the machine, take the first part off. There's the first part. Pick up the second part, place it on the machine. Our temporary fixture there. We can go ahead and step over to the software and click on run again. And again it goes over to the first location. Because we don't have a permanent fixture, we're going to find this first location again like we did before. Hit enter. And there is the second location. We can hit enter. And it will go around in the same routine that we did the first time. There are some features that have multiple locations. All we would do is we would simply step through the routine to measure the last 32 dimensions or 32 features on each one of those. It's fully automated. It will dump directly into Excel. We can actually palletize this program and create a grid of parts. If we want to measure 10 parts across and 2 down, we can create a grid that will measure 20 parts at one time by just copying and pasting the program. That's pretty much it. Run along to the second location. That's the program. Here's one last look at the machine. Maybe I can film the machine running the last program here. Let's see if we can get it to run. Machine's moving over now to that first location on the part. We're hitting enter. Machine will move to the second location. We'll hit enter. And then it will, let's see if we can get a larger shot of this. It's the machine moving around the internal diameter there. This is the point at which we're at on the program. We're still scanning the inner diameter there. It's going to go up to the top portion of this, measure the notch. It's going to come down and measure some of the internal dimensions on those slot locations. And this is what the machine looks like. This is a 24 by 12. We also have a 6 by 6, a 12 by 6, and a 12 by 12. This is the workstation along with the work area. We do sell this machine also as an entire workstation. It will have a pull-out location there for a keyboard. The joystick will be on the top, and the monitor will be mounted on the side. That would essentially eliminate that whole desk area there. That's the 24 by 12. I do have a picture of the 12 by 6 unit right here. A little bit smaller stage. That should just about do it. Any other questions? Please feel free to call 630-679-0560. Metrology Solutions in Dan Gerard. Bye for now.